from the outside. So they give you a key like this. Beep. Okay, sorry. Touch. Open up. This is our room. Bathroom is here. Super small, stand-up shower. Bathroom, toilet, sink. There's a little closet here. By little, I mean it's pretty big. That'll be great for us. A sofa. A mirror. Hey. Another mirror. A dresser. A desk. That's probably where I'll do my makeup. The bed. Another closet with a safe. Storage is not an issue on this boat. A phone, just in case you need to call the police. A TV, magazines, everything. And then our balcony with a gorgeous view of New York City. How pretty that is. The Freedom Tower, right there. What? Oh, they're doing something over there. I think they're washing the boat. They are. Look at these guys. Washing the boat. That's a scary job. Ah, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I got wet. Look at that.